is Mamta Patil. Today's date is 17 January 2024. Today's topic is keywords in Java. There are many keywords in Java. The number of keywords in Java is 51, but currently used in a keywords number of 49. We now discuss one by one keywords. First one is a abstract keyword. Abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract can provide the implementation of the interface. Abstract it can have a abstract and non-abstract methods. Second one is a boolean. The Java boolean keywords is used to declare a variable as a boolean type. It can hold a true and false value only. The next third one is a break keyword. Break keyword is used to break the loop or switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at the specified condition. The next one is the byte. Java byte keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 8-bit data value. The next one is a case. In Java, case keyword is used with a switch statement. Switch statement to mark block of a text. The next one is a catch. In a Java, catch keyword used to the catch the exceptions generated by try statement. It must be used after the try block only. Next is a char. Java char keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 16-bit unsigned characters. Then next one is a class. The class keyword is used to declare a class. Next one is a continue. The continue Java keyword is used to continue the loop. It continue the current flow of the program and skip the remaining code at the specified condition. Then default. Default keyword is used to specify the default block of code. It is a switch in a switch statement. Then next one is a do. In a Java, do keyword is used to control the statement to declare a loop. It can iterate a part of the program several times. The next one is a double. In a Java, double keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 64-bit floating point number. Then next one is a else. Else in Java keyword is used to indicate the alternative branch in an if statement. Then enum. Java enum keyword is used to define a fixed set of constant. The enum constructor are always provide and default. Then next one is a extend keyword. The extend keyword is used to indicate the class is derived from the another class or interface. Then next one is the final. Java final keyword is used to indicate that a variable hold a constant value. It is used with a variable. It is used to restrict the use from updating value of the variable. Then final keyword. The final keyword is used to interface a block of code a try catch structure. The block is always execute whether an exception is handled or not. Then next one is a float. The Java float keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 32-bit floating point number. So it is all about the keywords in a Java. Thank you.